People first language, speaking the language of love and acceptance. What is people first language? People first language is using individual identifiers before using things such as disability, race, gender, and other physical identifying traits. People first language identifies individuals with their personalities, their likes and dislikes, their talents, and other unique characteristics. Why should we use people first language? Well, people first language is used to speak respectfully about and to individuals with physical or cognitive disabilities. The use of people first language places emphasis on an individual as opposed to a disability. People with disabilities are family members, colleagues, leaders, friends, and more. People with disabilities have many incredible talents and abilities that allow them to be helpful and contributing members of society. Some examples of people first language. You can use a person with a disability instead of a handicapped person, or person without a disability instead of a normal or healthy person, person with cognitive developmental delay instead of retarded, a person who is visually impaired instead of a blind person, person who suffers hearing loss instead of a deaf person, person who uses a wheelchair instead of wheelchair-bound person, and accessible parking or restrooms instead of handicapped parking or restrooms. Disabilities are natural. Don't be afraid of people with disabilities. They're just like you and me. People with disabilities have likes and dislikes, just like you and me. People with disabilities have hopes and dreams. People with disabilities have unique personalities and talents. People with disabilities deserve the same respect and opportunity that we all deserve. So go ahead, take a chance and give it a try. The more you use people first language, the more natural it becomes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. If you are sincere and kind, you will be fine.